listen to some words of wisdom from a person who knows 7 languages. Isn't that great? And trust me, that's just one of the many lovely things about her. I take this opportunity to welcome the torchbearer of the World School, Aurangabad, Chairperson Mrs. Kavita Sonawane, an engineer by profession who came into the education field by choice and since then has been instrumental in helping students in various areas of holistic development through her innovative practices and love for nature, global citizenship values, and the 21st century skills. She takes initiative and risk to experiment and innovate. So, inviting Kavita ma'am to take the charge, and it's all the stage is yours, ma'am, now.
Thank you, Varinder ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone present here, my dear students. So happy to see you all after a long time, and seeing you evolving, seeing you expressing yourself so openly is really very nice. And I'm feeling so proud to be here. And I really thank Varinder ma'am, Seema, to giving this opportunity to meet my students in a very different platform. I'm able to see them and I'm able to observe their character or their openness, which I don't see at school. So this is a very nice opportunity, I know, to express themselves. You have given a platform to them. So thank you so much. And I would like to see more of their qualities over here.
And now it is the time to listen to some words of wisdom from a person who knows 7 languages. Isn't that great? And trust me, that's just not one, that's one of the things we know about her. One of the lovely things we know about her. I take this opportunity to welcome the torchbearer of the World School, Aurangabad, Chairperson Mrs. Kavita Sonawane, an engineer by profession who came into the education field by choice and since then has been instrumental in helping students in various areas of holistic development through her innovative practices and love for nature, global citizenship values, and 21st century skills. She takes initiatives, risks to experiment and innovate. So inviting Mrs. Kavita Sonawane to take the charge. So can we spotlight? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome again.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Varinder ma'am. It was very kind of you to speak such sweet words about me. Good morning, children. Good morning, other members who have joined, parents. I had attended one more last 2 days back. We had attended one more splash program and it was a wonderful event as well. And I really heartfully thank you, Sumit sir, and every member of Money Matters for making this happen. During this COVID times, you have been with children, you are taking out the best from them. You are making them so innovative and what you can say, expressive, right? So it's been a wonderful experience and journey with Sumit sir. He has been, you called me torchbearer. For me, he is a mentor. He's my mentor. He has been helping me and guiding me, my teachers, our staff members in each and every aspect of teachers training. And this Money Matter program is completely something which we haven't even thought of. It is an out-of-box program. So thank you so much. And I'm so happy to see the children of World School being expressive and they are able to think out of box. They're able to do activities which even parents don't know that their child is capable of doing such activities. So it's been a pleasure to watch them. And I'm here to see my students doing the activities, expressing themselves. So I'll end up this. I'll take the opportunity again to thank you, Sumit sir, and the other Money Matter staff members and welcome my dear children to express their views.